Hey everyone, let's build a slippery tile water game that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's start with an 8x16 base. I want to place 4 1x8 tiles right here. Next, let's set down a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. This is going to be like a little jump ramp to get into the splash pool. And in this area, 4 2x2 flat tiles. In the back, I want to skip 3 studs from the right hand side. I want to place in a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. Skip 2 studs and 2 more 1x2 slopes right here. Now I want to come in, surround the splash pool, and continue the pattern on the bottom side. Now let's take 2 1x1 plates, place these on top of one another. Let's make 2 of these, and I want to surround the splash pool on the left hand side. In this area, I want to place a pair of 1x1 bricks, followed by a pair of 1x2x2 bricks with arch. And we're going to lock that together with a 1x2 flat tile. This is going to act as a little goalpost. You know you're going through there. For water sprayers, start with a 1x1 plate. Let's place a 1x1 stud flower on top. Let's make sure that this is centered up. And I'm going to take a transparent light blue flame piece. Makes nice water. We're going to place that on there like so. Now we're going to need to make 6 of these, and we're going to fill in these 6 areas. Now on the splash pool, this is completely optional. I'm just going to take a few studs. I have 8 in total. These are light transparent blue. I'm just going to sprinkle these in there, just as little water waves. And there is our slippery tile water game. So here we have Jay the Surfer. He's ready to go in here, so he can just run, slide on the tiles, and go into the splash pool. Yeah, we used to have something like this back in the 80s growing up, and these were pretty fun if you didn't have a swimming pool.